Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great by the grace of Almighty. It's dusk time. The sun is going down. The sky is turning gold and purple. Everything feels calm. Many people think the day is ending, but I'd like to say dusk is not the end of a day. Yes, the sun may go down, but your light does not have to fade. Dusk is a time. It's a time to think about day. What what you did, what you learned, and think what you can do better tomorrow. Yes, dusk is not the end. It's a quiet beginning. Again, dusk is not the end. It's quiet beginning.